Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new video. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood, decluttering, organizing and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so feel free to subscribe if you haven't done already. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much for joining me on this YouTube journey. And welcome to the family. So today's video is part 2 of my bedroom makeover. I must say I absolutely love how it's all turned out. More or less done on a budget using items from, you know, various stores and items that I already had around the house. But as always, I can't wait to show you. And I'm really happy that you know, I'm really glad that you like part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, I will link it in the description box below, and I'll also put it in the card somewhere up here for you guys to have a click on and have a look at that. I must say it's not really a full-on makeover because we're not doing any decoration, we're not moving any furniture. It's really more of a restyling video rather than a makeover, but I've called it a makeover, you know, because to me it is a makeover. My room looks made over. It looks completely different, you know. Now at the end of part 1, I did actually say that I was going to do a bedroom tour plus incorporating our ensuite shower room, which is just behind me here. But to be fair with you, I'm going to do the ensuite as a separate video because we're going to be popping out to get some essentials for Oakley and for preschool, back to nursery, preschool, etc. And we want to get down to the shops early and get back early, if you get what I mean. What I'm going to be doing in this video today is addressing this side of the room. You would have seen me do this side of the room in part 1 of the video. You would have seen me do that side of the room in part 1. So part 2, I'm focusing on this side of the bedroom. So this side of the bedroom incorporates this plain wall. I've got this another plain wall just here. I've also got my dressing table here. I've taken everything down of it. I've given it a wipe down already. And I've also cleaned the mirror. So I'm going to be restyling this area here. Can you guess one of the items I'm going to be putting onto this dressing table? Yes, I'm going to be adding my Poundland DIY. Just grab it here. My Poundland DIY cotton wool jar. That's definitely going to go on the dressing table. It looks absolutely fantastic on there. You know, the room's kind of like black and white, monochrome with a bit of rattan as well in it and a little bit of greenery. So this fits in here quite well. Okay, so I've just got some cotton pads that I've got from Primark. These are the natural range from Primark, organic cosmetic pads. So I'm going to put those in there. I don't really use the cotton balls as such. I really prefer to use the pads, you know. So I just find that you can just put your skincare product onto this and just, you know, do your face. Oh God, my hair's sticking up. Why is my hair always sticking up in half of my videos? My straightener's actually broke on me yesterday and I've ordered one from Amazon. So excuse the hair sticking out like that, because what I had to do, I literally just combed it down and put some hairspray on it to hoping that it was going to stay down. But, you know, anyways, yeah, stop waffling on Amanda. So, yes, I've got these cotton pads. I'm just going to place them inside the jar like that. They all should fit in really, but you know, I'll just leave it like that for now and then just put the lid back on, turn it around like so. Really nice. Then I put this flower arrangement together. I've got these flowers, these faux flowers that I picked up in, I think, Poundland a few years back. I think these are actually on one of my Poundland hauls from last year or year before. So those. And I've just put a few stems of eucalyptus in there as well. These are actually from Home Sense. And then, sorry, I have to keep bending down, but everything's on the floor. And then I'm just going to add a stem of the pony flowers that I picked up in IKEA. So that's going to go in there as well. And I think I'm just going to bring that sort of over there. So yes, I'm just going to put those in there like that, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. Then I've got this mirror that I picked up in Poundland. I can't remember if it was this year or last year. It just seems like ages ago that I had this mirror. And basically what I'm going to use is, I'm using it as a tray for the flowers. So that's going to sit on the dressing table like so. I'm going to put the vase on the top of the mirror like so. And you know what? It fits quite perfectly. So I really love how this is looking. I'm going to place that just there. Okay, so next I've got this mirror that I picked up in the charity shop. Now I have actually got a charity shop haul, and that's the Sue Ryder charity shop. I've actually filmed it, but it's not quite edited yet, so that's coming your way fairly soon. And this mirror is from there. So that's gonna go on the side there. I'm just gonna leave it quite minimalist. So I'm just gonna bring the vase over like so, and then just really have it like that. Then I've just got a photo in this frame. It's not really a tour, but I know I'm saying where the items are from, because I just can't help it. I like sharing where I get my items from. So it's not really a tour, but it's like a, yeah, I suppose it's like a, but yeah, I'm just going to continue. Okay, I can't remember where I was because little Oakley was calling me, so I had to go and attend to him. I remember now. I'm out of breath. I had to go downstairs to get Oakley a banana. Right, let me catch myself. I also picked up this frame in the Sue Ryder charity shop. And yeah, it's an IKEA frame. It's quite weighty. I do love it. It's very similar to the other frames that I picked up in Aldi. So yeah, it's got that kind of like bobbly effect detail on it there. So really like that. So I'm just going to put this on the dressing table as well. Really how I'm going to keep the dressing table. Very, very minimalist. We've got the mirror. We've got this gorgeous jar that I made up from my Poundland DIY. Photo of myself and hubby, and then this gorgeous arrangement of flowers here sitting on this mirror that I picked up in Poundland. Then I've also got this big mirror. This mirror I had for a few years actually from Wilko. I did actually have the full length version of this as well from Wilko, but I actually sold it because I did actually get another mirror, which you've probably seen in my office, the big white one that I picked up in Pound Stretcher. So that one's actually going to come in here and go on the side of this wall here facing the bed. Sorry about all the moving around. I'm so used to just sitting in one place doing my you know, my hauls and stuff. I do actually like moving around and doing like vlog kind of style videos, you know, if that's what you call them. Still getting used to all the terms, to be fair, with the YouTube, but yeah, the kind of vlog style video. So anyways, now I'm going to address this side of the wall here. It's a plain, as you can see, it's a plain wall at the moment, and I've got a few photo frames I'm going to put on the wall here as a collage. So these are the frames on the bed just here. I've got a picture of Oakley there when he was a little baby. Then I've got some quotes, and then my lovely kiss print I've got from Desenio. I've got it in this frame here. Okay, so what I'm using actually, I'm just attaching some glue dots to the corners of the frames, and what I'm going to do is just put them on the wall temporarily just to see how it's going to look actually on the wall. I know I did it on the bed just there, but I just want to make sure before I put any nails in the wall that I've got it all in the right place, if you get what I mean. Okay, so we put this one of little Oakley first. So enough glue dots on there. That's it, little Oakley. And okay, so that's not going to work. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go downstairs and get the hammer and some nails and just put them on the wall. I'm sure it's all going to work out fine. So see you in a minute. Okay, so sorry, my battery ran out. I was doing this bit thinking I was filming, and I've done it so perfectly, but the camera wasn't filming. So I've got one frame left. I've got one frame left to put up, which I'm going to do with you guys. So it's just going to go here like so. I'm literally just doing it by eye. You know, I've got these small little nails. That should do the trick. And then I'm just going to hang this frame up, and hopefully it's going to go in the centre. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so this is how the frames are looking on the wall, and I absolutely love it. I might swap this one over, you know, like just swap them out, and also I might put a picture in of the three of us, myself, Oakley and hubby. Okay, so I actually made this Poundland. This was like one of my Poundland DIYs that I was going to show you on my channel. Can't remember what you call them, but you know, the round ball with the plant inside. I did it quite quickly, to be fair, but in my next Poundland DIY, I'm going to be featuring how I actually made this. It turned out really perfect. I love it. You know, I'll just put my little IKEA trading plant in there. So yeah, so this is how this side is looking at the moment, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm just going to end the video here. I have got a few more things that I need to do in the room, and I'm waiting for a few orders to arrive. A radiator cover, so waiting for that to arrive, and then the chair to go in this corner here. So this is how the room is looking. I absolutely love it. That's my dressing table, very minimalist. I also love this corner of the room where I've put these picture frames up. They've worked out really well. And then my Poundland DIY, which I will show you in my next Poundland DIY video. That's turned out really lovely, love that. And yeah, actually we placed the heart just in the middle here, the wicker heart. This is the only bit of wicker that we have in the room for now, but it's going to continue into the shower room. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I would love to have you on board. And for those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much for sticking with me and following me on this YouTube journey. And welcome to the family. It's great to have you all around. And I appreciate all your comments, you know, all your comments that you've made on my videos. It's your thumbs up, all your likes. You know, also mentioning my little boy Oakley. Thanks so much for that. I hope you're all having a great day, enjoying it wherever you are. Welcome to September. Keep well, keep yourselves well, you know, get cozy. Autumn is really kicking in. I had to put the heater on the other day because it was so chilly in the evening. But yeah, it's all good. So see you on the next one. Take care, keep well, happy September, and I hope this month is a good one for you all. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.